traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think this is very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3, especially looking at all yen pairs for correlation. I think we are likely in an ABC of 4, which will probably look like this. I think 50% is the most likely, maybe 38, and then back up for the wave 5. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still think this right here is an A. I still think this is an ABC of B, which I'm really not convinced is over yet. And I still think it's going to make another push down for a C, which should be an A, a B, and a C of wave 4. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this little bottom right here is very clearly an A. I think this is potentially 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down, with almost an equal low. And that is a big clue to me because this is probably now making like 5 waves up to probably this little area right here, or maybe the 100 to 105 area for an ABC of B. Now, if this is really just a regular flat, then the 105 100% Fibonacci extension is definitely my target. If it's an expanding flat, then it might go up to one of these higher targets. Either way, still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, it still hasn't broken any structure down. It looks extremely corrective to me. I mean, it looks like this is potentially an A and this is potentially a B, and we could be in a wave C right now. If it is a wave C, it might actually break structure, but then reject structure almost instantly, break this structure, and then continue the uptrend. So keep an eye on it. I mean, for me personally, I'm definitely still only looking for longs because I am a swing trader. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm already long on this thing, and I've been long, so I'm definitely still looking for longs. And even if it does go down, I need to see a break and hold below structure before I would even think about looking for shorts. If it breaks structure and then rejects it instantly, then that probably is telling me that this is a 5-wave pattern down for A. This is 5 waves up for an A, B, C, so 5 waves of A, 3 waves of B, 5 waves of C for the B, and then potentially 5 waves down for C. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm already long, so if it just keeps on drifting up, that's great news for me. If it goes down and takes out this low and then rejects it, then that's fine also because I don't really care. I'm a swing trader. I use pretty big stop losses. So even if it does go down a little bit, I might just add to my position and potentially keep on trending up. Now, if it does break and hold below structure, I will stop looking for longs and I'll start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.